Dear students, welcome to Khan Academy Smart Education online classes. Our chapter is chapter number 3, data handling. In previous class we will talk about mean, which is sum of all data divided by number of data, which shows the average value of all data. Now we will talk about mode. What is the mode? In all observations, any observation occurs most commonly or occurs often. In all observation, any observation occurs most commonly, most frequently, then this observation called mode. In all observation, when we take a data for any question, we saw the all data, which data is most repeatedly most frequently occurs. Which data is most frequently occurs is called mode of the given observation. Let's take example. 1 2 1 5 7 1 1 3 2 4 5 5 8 9 3 1 7 6 4 4. These are the datas. Find mode. Now we draw a table. First column is observation, second is number of observation, number of repetition. Observation, number of repetition. Now observation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These are our observation. Observation 1, number of repetition 1 2 3 4 and 5. This will be 5 times. Observation 2, 1 2 only 2 times. Now 3, 1 2 2 times. Now 4, 1 2 3 3 times. Now 5, 1 2 3 3 times. Now 6, only 1 time. Now 7, 1 2 2 times. Now 8, only one time. Now 9, only one time. So highest number of repetition is 5. Which observation? Observation 1. So mode is equal to 1. The data is called mode. So mode is equal to 1. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic. Now our next topic is median. Median means middle of the data. Definition is median refers to the value which lie in the middle of the data when data arranged in an increasing or decreasing order. Median refer to the value called median which lie middle of the data. In the data we will count from left side and right side. If the data is placed middle in the middle part of this data called median, the data will arranged in increasing or decreasing order. For example, 1 2 3 1 1 4 5 1 7 8 8 9 2 2 4 4 1 5 6. Find median. Question is find median. There are number of datas. There are 90 numbers of data. We will arrange in increasing order. We will arrange these value in increasing order. First of 1, then 1 1, then 1, then 1. Now 2 2 2, 3. Now 4, 1 2 3, 3 times, 1 2 3. Now 5, 1 2, 2 times. Now 6. Now 7, only one time. Now 8, these are 2 times. Now 9. Then we will find the middle part of data. 1 2 1 2, 3 4 3 4, 5 6 5 6, 7 8 7 8, then 9 9. The middle is 4. The middle part is 4. The half of 19 is 9.5, so we will remove 9 from here and 9 from here, 9 from left hand side and 9 from right hand side. The middle part automatically occur. So median is 4. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our exercise. Now exercise 3.2 question number first. The score in mathematics test out of 25 of the 15 students is follows. There are the marks of 15 students. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? First of all, rearranging the data in increasing order. Now let the smallest number 5, then after 5 10, after 10 12, after 12 sorry this is 9, 5 9 5 9 5 9 10 12, after 12 there are 15 after 15 16, after 16 19, after 90 20 22 3 4 times 20 and 20, after 20 23 then 24 25 is 2 times 25 there are 15 students 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 there are 15 students. Now first of all we find mode and median. We taking mode there are 15 by 2 is 7.5. now removing 7 data from left side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. now removing 7 data from right side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. now median is middle part of this is 20. so median of this data is 20. Then mode. What is the mode? Mode is the data which is most oftenly occurs. The data which is most commonly occurs is. This is one time. This is over 4 time. 1 time, 2 time, 4 time. Most oftenly occurs data is 20. So mode of this data is 20. Mode of this data is 20. Are they both same? Yes. Mode and median are same for this question. For this question, the mode and median are same. In another question, they cannot be same. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players as follows. These are the runs by 11 players. Find mean, mode, median of this data. First of all, rearranging the data in increasing order. First of all, rearranging the data in increasing order. The lowest digit is 6. Now, after 6, there is 8. After 8, 10 and 10 two time, 10, 10. Then 15, 15, 15. 15 is 3 times. After 15, this is 50, 80, 100, 120. There are the 11 players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the 11 players. First of all, who repeated mostly? The most oftenly comes is 15. The most oftenly runs is 15. So mode is 15. First answer, mode is 15. Now second answer, middle part is median. These are the 11. 11 by 2 is 5.5. 5 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 data removed from left side and 5 from right side. The middle part is 15. The middle part of given data is 15. So median is equal to 15. Now another is mean. Mean is equal to sum of all data divided by number of data. Sum of all data. 6 plus 8 plus 10, 10. Plus 15 3 times, 15, 15, 15. Then 50, 80, 100, 120. Upon number of data is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we will add this. 120, 80, 200, 300, 350. These are the 350. 15, 30, 45, 45. 10, 10, 20. 6, 8, 14. So this is 9, 1, 3, 7, 12, 4. Mean is equal to 429 divided by 11. This will be divided by 11. 3 times 33, remainder is 9, next digit is 9, 99. it can be divided by 39 times. So mean is 39. Mode, median and mean, are the three same? Mode and median of this question is same, but mean is different from them. Let's take beginning from this question. Question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. These are the runs by 11 players. Find mean, mode, median. First of all, we will rearrange the data. Rearranging the data in increasing order: 6, then 8, then 10, 10, 10, 2 times, then 15, 1, 2, 3, 3 times 15, then 50, 80, 100, 120. These are the 11 data: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, correct. Then what is the mode? Mode is which data comes frequently. 15, 15, 15, 3 times. The most oftenly runs are 15, so mode is 15. Median is middle of the data. Median is middle of the data. Datas are 11. 11 by 2 is 7.5, sorry 5.5. So we will remove 5 data from left side and 5 data from right side. The middle part is 15. So median is 15. Now mean. The formula of mean is sum of all data divided by number of data. Sum of all data, these data. By adding these data, we get 429. 429 divided by 11. When we dividing, we get 39. So mean is 39. Are the three same? Mode and median is same for this question, but median is different from them. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 3. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are. These are the weights of 15 students. First question, find the mode and median of these data. Second, is there more than one mode? Answer: rearranging the data in increasing order. We will rearrange this data in increasing order. First of all, the smallest number will become 32. 32. Then after 32 there is 35. Yes, there is 35. After 35 there is 37, 36. 36 is one time, 37 is one time. 36, 37. Now 38. 38 is 1, 2, 3. 38 is 3 times. 38, 38, 38. After 38, 40, 40. After 40, 42. The 42 comes one time. Then 43. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Now after 43, 45. This is our 45. After 45, 50. 47 and then 50. 47 and 50. Now we will count. These are the 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, the datas are correct. Now find mode which come oftenly. Which come oftenly? 38 comes 3 times. 43 comes 3 times. 38 and 43 are repeated repeated 3 times, which is highest or cannot be written. 38 and 43 are repeated 3 times, so mode is equal to 38, mode is equal to 43. There are 2 modes. Now we will find the median. There are 15 students. We will divide 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7.5. So we will remove 7 from left side and 7 from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 of them remove from left side, 7 from right side. The middle is 40. Middle of data is 40. So median is equal to 40. Now this is our first part. In part second, is there more than one mode? Yes. In this question, we having 2 modes. (38) and 43. 38 and 43. Let us beginning from this question. The weight of 15 students are given. Find mode and median. How many modes? First of all, rearranging in increasing order. First is smallest digit, last is largest digit. We will rearrange. Here for finding mode, we check how many times that data will repeat. 38 repeated 3 times, 43 repeated 3 times. 38 and 43 are repeated 3 times, so these both are mode. Mode is 38, mode is 43. Now median. Median is the middle of the data. There are 15 numbers of data. The half of 15 is 7.5. So we will remove 7 from here and 7 from here. 7 from left side, 7 from right side. The middle part is 40. So median is 40. Second question, is there more than one mode? Yes. In this question we having 2 modes, 38 and 43. Now question number 4, find the mode and median of the data. Answer. First of all, rearranging. Rearranging the data in increasing order. Lowest digit is 12. Yes, 12 and 12. 12, 12. 13, 13. 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 3 times, 14, 14 and 14, 3 times. After 14 there are 16 and 19, 16 and 19. The datas are number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, data are correct. Now for finding mode, 2 times, 3 times. 14 is repeated 3 times, so mode is equal to 14. Which number most oftenly comes called mode? The 14 are repeated 3 times, so mode is 14. Now median, there are 9 numbers of data, half of 9 is 4.5, so we will remove 4 data from left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 data from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then median is 14. 14 is middle part of data. 14 is middle part of data, so median is 14. So median is 14. Question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number of data. First of all, rearranging the data in increasing order. 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14 3 times. Then 16 and 19, 16 and 19. The 14 is most oftenly comes. 14 is repeated 3 times, so mode is 14. Now these are the 9 datas. Half of them 4.5, so we will remove 4 from left side and 4 from right side. These 4 data removed and this 4 data is removed from right side. The middle part is 14. 14 is middle part of the data, so median is 14. You can take a screenshot of this. We take another question in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.